Are you pinning on Pinterest but getting zero sales? Here is the exact system to turn those pins into profit, starting today. So here is the plan. We are going to walk through setting up your business account, creating pins that actually get clicks, and then analyzing what works so you can maximize your earnings. It is simpler than you think. All right, let us start by opening Pinterest in your browser or on your app. Just get that homepage open. Now, listen, if you haven't already done this, you absolutely need to switch to a business account. This is non-negotiable. A personal account simply does not have the tools you need to make money. It has no analytics, no ad options, and no way to see if your efforts are paying off. So go into your settings, find the option to switch to a business account, and follow the prompts. It is free, and it unlocks everything we are about to do. Once you are in your business account, look for the Business Hub icon. It usually looks like a little grid of squares or a briefcase. Click on that. This is your command center. Inside the hub, you will see an option that says Create Pin. Click that. This opens up the pin designer. Now, upload a high-quality image or video. This is your chance to grab someone's attention as they scroll. Use bright, clear visuals. If you are sharing a recipe, show the finished dish. If it is a product, show it being used in real life. Avoid blurry photos or text that is too small to read. Pinterest is a visual search engine, so make that first impression count. Next up is the title. Write something compelling that also includes keywords someone might type into search. For example, instead of just saying blue sweater, say something like cozy blue chunky knit sweater for fall outfits. That title tells both the viewer and the algorithm exactly what your pin is about. And here is the really important part, the description. This is where you need to focus on keywords and a clear call to action. Describe what the viewer will get if they click through. Is it a tutorial, a product for sale, a free guide? Then tell them what to do. Say something like, click to read the full step-by-step tutorial, or shop this look on my website. Do not just describe the image. Tell them exactly what to do next and why they should do it. Now, paste your destination link. This could be your website, a blog post, a product page, or an affiliate offer. Just make sure the link actually works and leads to the content you are promising in your title and description. There is nothing worse than a broken link. Then choose a relevant board. Do not just throw it into a random board. If your pin is about healthy dinner recipes, put it on your healthy meals board. This helps Pinterest understand your content and show it to the right audience. Hit publish. Your first pin is live. Nice work. But here is the thing. One pin is not enough. You need to create pins consistently. Aim for at least 5 new pins per day. I know that sounds like a lot, but you can batch create them in one sitting and schedule them out using the Pinterest scheduler. Consistency is what tells the algorithm you are an active creator, and that is how you get your content seen by more people. Now, after a week or two, start checking your results. Go back to the Business Hub and find View Analytics. Look at which pins got the most saves, clicks, and impressions. This data is gold. Finally, optimize based on performance. If a certain style of image is getting more saves, make more like that. If a title with specific keywords is driving traffic, use those words again. Double down on what works and tweak or replace the pins that are underperforming. And that is the whole system. No magic tricks, just a repeatable process. Start creating, check your analytics, and keep refining. You have got this.